Hello guys, in this video today I am going to introduce another great project that name is SantaCoin. What is SantaCoin? Santa is a meme coin. It was presented on November 2021 and immediately fostered its own solid web-based local area inside the primary week. Because of its design, SantaCoin nick varies considerably from other image coin. You get prizes in BUSD as long as you are holding Santa Claus. Now, AM talk about SantaCoin holding offers. Holders rewards 8%, liquidity expenses 2%, buyback plus consume 3%, marketing wallet 1%. The holder rewards are paid in BUSD, not in cent nick coins. This is an enormous distinction. The more you hold, the more BUSD you procure. The additional subtitles read the light paper, visit the authority, Santa Claus coin site or ask in the where public gathering. Deal add up to 0.2% of the flowing inventory. Holders of SantaCoin get compensated the Binance pegged BUSD, something without precedent for the historical backdrop of the digital money. Guys, SantaCoin support Binance Smart Chain Network. It is the very opportunity of visitors. This is the SantaCoin tokenomics. You must know financial matters of the token and how they will use the assets. Total supply on 0.00000000, that means 1 lakh trillion. Total burns 520-353-388-146-943. Team and marketing token 840000000000. Pre-sale price 1 BNB 1975 000000. Initial market cap $240K. Why you choose SantaCoin? SantaCoin is a meme coin that makes you cash while you rest. Seek out more motivations to hold $Santa. They give you more opportunity. They have anti-whale system. They have agreement counts with a basic clear fail demoralization, no deal sum higher than 0.125% of the wall out supply are convenable, one the double. Multiple buybacks. 3% of each purchase and sell exchange to consequently added to repurchase save. The tokens gathered are safely secured and output. Liquidity pool. 2% of each exchange is changed over into liquidity for PancakeSwap. Our sword agreement stores 2% from each purchase, sale, exchange and SantaCoin and BNB into a liquidity pool. BUSD reflection. Acquire programmed Binance fixed BUSD hours by holding your SantaCoin 8% of each purchase and sale exchange and consequently rearrange to every symbolic holder. And this is the SantaCoin roadmap, guys. This is the most important for every crypto project. Don't miss to see that the roadmap. They already released October 2021 white paper homepage DAAP and pre-sale November 2021. Already listed on PancakeSwap, CoinMarketSwap, CoinGo and Q1 2022. They release F1 racing game launch. It is the big news for Santa users, guys. Just wait for that. Santa will be gaming project. Don't forget to buy SantaCoin and hold tight. It will be rich future like Shiba Inu Dogecoin. Guys, SantaCoin already listed is the PancakeSwap. You can easily purchase from PancakeSwap. It is very easy to buy SantaCoin from PancakeSwap. Okay guys, just click buy Santa. Okay, this is the PancakeSwap interface. Just click the connect wallet. Then you can see a lot of wallet available here like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Sepal, etc. I have already MetaMask. I preferred you can use MetaMask. It's very secure and very easy. Okay, I just log in my MetaMask. Just click the connect wallet. It's already connected there. Just see the wallet. You can buy from BNB to Santacoin, but I used BUSD. Just click 1 BUSD and you can see that balance. Just click enable BUSD, then click the swap button. Then you can already get your Santacoin in your wallet. For more information, you can follow Santacoin Twitter and Telegram channel. Just click the Twitter and see the latest update here. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.